Namaste, we are back with another video. This time we present to you the Watkin Path, also one of the 6 main routes to the summit of Snowdonia in North Wales. So this was just the two of us in April bank holiday weekend this year. The starting point of the path is up a stone staircase which is opposite the car park and next to the Red Dragon holiday cabins and Cafe Gwynant which are at the roadside. The Watkin Path trail starts from the A498 road. This car park is often full and you will find people parked up on the roadside. If you don't have a car, there is a Sherpa bus that takes you straight to the start of the trail. Simply follow the Watkin Path up the hill through the woods and after about 20 to 30 minutes of walking, you will see the waterfalls in front of you. Waking up bright and early will ensure you get to park up and enjoy the serene pools in all the glory before the crowds arrive. We will leave the parking infos on the description box below. There is no way you can miss the waterfalls from the Watkin Path. Take notice of how dry the ground looks then in April compared to when we went back with friends in May, where it was blooming with bluebells all around and it looked so beautiful. I must say this is probably one of the most beautiful spots in Snowdonia. The path to the waterfalls isn't strenuous, but it is uneven. It is a great place to take pictures. It's a spectacular sight, not just the waterfalls themselves, but the wide open views from here across the valley and mountains beyond. As you walk further up, there are plenty of pools to find a spot for yourself or to share with others. And of course the excitement when we saw all these crystal clear pools, we couldn't wait to get into the freezing water. The best experience is on a warm sunny day and we got really lucky on a recent trip in April and May when the weather was sunny. It's so perfect for swimming, jumping in or just relaxing. If you are more adventurous, there are plunge pools that are deeper so you can jump in. There's a series of waterfalls and large deep clear pools one after the other. Top tips when visiting Watkin Path waterfall is to get here early, bring a picnic along with a beach towel to really make the most of your outing, bring your shoes to get wet in the water as walking is easier too. After exploring a bit, we headed back down to a secluded spot that we had spotted at the beginning of the walk where the sun was shining on the crystal clear water and we had the whole pool to ourselves. The way the river has carved out these great deep and clear natural pools with perfect grass edges, it's difficult to believe this spot hasn't been man-made. place is for everyone, whether you prefer to relax by the natural pools, dip your feet in, or go for a swim. Watkin Path Waterfall has everything you need. I'm generally scared of heights and jumping into pools, but love doing it anyway. Even better when you have a friend to do it with you.
Go.
What?
Start running, start running.
Hope you enjoyed watching our video and helped you to plan something for summer. We would love for you to share and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos of Wales in future.
Bye.